Hi everyone, YouTubers. This is Chen, and I just want to show you what we're doing here today with me and my husband. And we are putting the chandelier over there. Used to be that one it's not there, so we hired somebody. It's called the Balls Electricians. The total was the cost is like to help us to put the chandelier and everything. They break us everything, and then it's worth like he came out like $1,000. But because I want to just put a electric there, an output that actually if I use the switch in here, the 1 2 3 there, it will automatically on for that. And he already tested it and it's working fine. So right now we are fixing the holes that they made. Is like total 1 2 3 4 6 of them there. So it's because it's been raining, and what we're doing is also my husband fixing that yellow trail from the rain. But but it's not really that bad, but hoping it will be okay. So we saved some money and we will put the new roof and stuff like that if our insurance covered. Fingers crossed. So yeah, so this is the update here. It's kind of dusty because my husband like he sanded it, and so that way that thing it's not gonna be like like it's not gonna be like looking ugly there. But he's gonna apply more coats, the same that like the same as the roof, or the ceiling color. We already ordered it, and we went to a Home Depot and hoping it will turn out okay. So yeah, so our chandelier is this big here. Yeah, it has a 3 layers, and how many crystals on? Like 1,000
and something, yeah.
Almost like 1,000 crystals, and like a gold plated kind of thing. Material, metal. So hoping it will be looking good. It will be look good after we we will give you an updates later on once everything is done. Yeah, I also ordered the medallion. That way it looks more nicer there. Uh oh, our little bunny
Go back to work.
is crying. So I gotta go, guys, and thank you guys for watching, and guys have a lovely evening. I thought to share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, YouTubers. Love ya. Bye for now.